All right, 312/21. Just put back the new relay that's white, and we're gonna see if it works. All right, it's plugged in. Fan spinning. I can feel the compressor. It's humming. I think it works. It's a good sign. Yay. Good sign. All right, it's definitely humming. This side feels warm, that's a good sign. And this side feels a little bit colder. Does feel a little bit colder. Oh yeah, it is humming. So I can feel heat. That means it's pulling out heat. All right, good job, Michelster. So basically this thing wasn't humming. We changed the white relay. There's a black thing in there, that wasn't it. So just take a picture. This box comes out like that. There is a tab that holds it in place over here, and it wasn't that easy, but it just comes out like that. See the picture? So you put the screwdriver in like that, and you move, and then you pull it out. There was a little piece of plastic that broke coming out, but it came out. Okay. Taking off this screw was a little bit difficult here, so I just basically took this one down here and took this plastic out, and then it just comes out.